Long, long ago on a Dorset plain, engines gathered in the pouring rain, in a field in a village they call Stowpain. The Stowpain gathering. Get to the bar, boys, buy them beers, raise up your glasses and give 3 cheers. Dorset's celebrating 40 years at the Stowpain gathering. Steam apprentices are here to learn. Water boils and the coal doth burn. Hit the regulator and the wheels do turn at the Stowpain gathering. Smoke and steam in the country air, the beer's at the bar and the devil in the chair, and we're all going down to the Dorset Fair, the Stowpain gathering. The NIMBYs in the local town, they tried their best to shut us down. The weather went from bad to worse, the show outlived the gypsy curse. The bureaucrats with all their rules, who took us for a crowd of fools, use red tape to interfere, but they're all gone and we're still here. We've seen the storms and the mud all around, the beer tent lying on the rain-soaked ground, drawn our strength from the friends we found at the Stowpain gathering. Years have come and years have gone, some of our friends have now passed on, but in this place their names live on at the Stowpain gathering. Many years on and it's all still here, the fair, the engines and the pints of beer. Still we come back every year for the Stowpain gathering. Where there's a way, there's an iron will. Road locomotives on Haulage Hill. In 40 years' time, hope they're doing it still at the Stowpain gathering. Long, long ago on a Dorset plain, engines gathered in the pouring rain, in a field in a village that they call Stowpain. The Stowpain gathering. The Stowpain gathering. The Stowpain gathering.